Hi, my name is Jim Camella. I'm the former Chief Revenue Officer of Cherwell Software. Cherwell was a phenomenal company, had a very groundbreaking, interesting product, not perfect. Mostly, one of the great things about Cherwell was the customer community that we had this tremendous bond with our customers. We were on a mission to become the go-to provider for enterprise service management solutions for large mid-market companies, right up to small to medium enterprises. I spent the better part of that year post-acquisition trying to prevent what has transpired, and that is the end of life of Cherwell.
My name is Chris Holt. I'm a leader in our revenue operations team at EasyVista. My job is to make our sales team successful and provide our customers a good experience when working with us. At EasyVista, we're a small family. We are not a large company where a customer is a number. Customers are family. And at EasyVista, we like to make things as easy for our family as possible.
Hi, I'm Ryan Counts. I'm North American Field Chief Technology Officer for EasyVista. My responsibilities are aiding in the sales organization, working with existing and prospective customers from a technical standpoint. So what drew me to EasyVista is the fact that they're really wanting to do something different with ITSM. If we think about it, for the past 20 years, ITSM has always been a manually intensive task. You have users putting in tickets manually. Those are routed to agents who then route to other agents, and all the activity over the life cycle of a ticket is all manual. It's all people doing all this work.
My name is Stephanie Santos, and I run community programs for EasyVista in North America and Europe. One of the things that I love about EasyVista is our commitment to the entire customer journey, not just to the point of sale. After you sign the contract, you are assigned a customer success manager to walk with you through your whole journey to hopefully advocacy.
Many of us former Cherwellians have found a home here at EasyVista, as well as many former Cherwell customers have upgraded their service management deployments to EasyVista.
We make it easy to do business with us because we listen to our customers, and we're providing more and more services, bundled products that make it easy for our customers to have a single stop.
A differentiator in the way we do business compared to some of the other ITSM companies is that every customer gets a customer success manager, and they'll walk through the journey with you, and their job is to really help you be successful and to be an advocate for you even within your organization. Their job is really to make you successful and show the value of our tool in your company.
With EasyVista, we recognize there's opportunities for a dramatic improvement in efficiencies if we have a completely interconnected tool chain out there, where instead of users being my first report of issues, we're monitoring the environment and raising a ticket as soon as we identify issues. When we have service requests come in, like new hire onboarding, let's automate as much of that activity as possible and take that manual effort away.
We provide an extended and end-to-end solution for service management that encompasses both IT system monitoring as well as remote device management, all in a single platform. Our vision is to continue to extend that to provide more power to IT. Culturally, we have a very customer-centric approach to what we do. We're building that community similar to what we had at Cherwell with user groups, community forums, and having our customers drive and help shape and enhance that vision going further.
We make it easy for our customers to interact with us. Everything from customer portal to easy to read and understand contracts to getting support when they need and getting quick responses from our support team.
The strongest advantage of EasyVista is our tightly integrated tool chain of products. The fact that we're weaving in monitoring end-to-end, including end-user experience. The fact that we have a fully integrated remote support tool to aid agents in resolving issues. The fact that we're also leveraging an Uber automation platform for more complex workflows and automation for customers. And that's just where we're at today. We're continuing to grow. We're constantly looking at opportunities for improvement in ITSM, whether that's through acquisitions or our own organic growth. In fact, just in the last year, we added 4 products to that platform, and that was a combination of acquisitions, our own organic development, and more. So we're continually looking at opportunities for improvement and growing that platform.
To help our customers transition from Cherwell to EasyVista, we've partnered with Excalibur, who's very well known and has a great reputation in the industry, and they know Cherwell inside and out. And we have a lot of other great implementation partners too. So you're not doing it alone.
Take the opportunity. Schedule a session with one of our consultants to do some discovery. Better yet, schedule a demonstration to see this end-to-end platform for yourselves. Minimally, you'll be better informed about your options that are out there in the industry, but I think you're going to find it very interesting and compelling that you're going to want to find a home here just as we did at EasyVista too.
Just like me, who came from Cherwell, I think you would find that EasyVista is a great place to be. Our products are great, working with us is easy, and we would like you to join us.
One question I've gotten from numerous existing Cherwell customers is, am I going to lose anything by moving over to a new platform like EasyVista? And frankly, after spending a year on the platform, I haven't run into any use cases that I haven't been able to reproduce on the platform. So it really is well thought out, particularly when it comes to asset management.
I don't always buy ITSM, but when I do, it's EasyVista.